Hi everyone, I'm back again with another new story, and today we are going to read The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. This book is suitable for our early readers as it's already written over their early start preschool readers. It has large prints to support reading. Okay, let's start and read the story. Once a shepherd boy was looking after his sheep. He got a naughty idea. He cried, "Wolf, wolf," as loud as he could. When the villagers heard his shouts, they ran out to help him. They came along with their sticks and pitchforks. But there was no wolf. The boy had made a fool of them. They went back to work, saying that the young boy was ignorant. The shepherd boy decided to repeat the joke the following day. The villagers came rushing to save him again. The boy said that he had mistaken a dog for a wolf. The people scolded him and went back. The next day, when the boy was grazing his sheep, there came a real wolf. The scared boy immediately started shouting at the top of his voice, "Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!" When the villagers heard the shepherd boy's shouts this time, they laughed. "Ah, he's playing his joke again," they said to each other. The shepherd boy ran away to save himself. He reached home crying as the wolf had killed half of his flock. Since he had lied twice, no one believed him when he actually needed help. So we learned today that if we tell lies, no one will believe us when we speak the truth. So I hope you learned a lot this time. Let's meet tomorrow again with a new story. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.